Let's check a meter loan in Jainam Software. So for the meter loan, configuration is in master setup, product scheme. I have already created a meter loan configuration. Here in the I have entered the product scheme. Then in ROI, I just kept the minimum 1% daily and the tenor 1 day. That is the just a dummy configuration. In calculation logic, important point is keep runtime interest. Amount for testing purpose I can keep actually 10,000. Or let it be 50 only. Okay. Now after this configuration, the one configuration is interest config. I have kept 0 to 45 30% monthly and 46 to 0 60% monthly. I'm creating one loan with this configuration. Just for testing purpose, I keep the date as 1st April. I click save. Loan 133 is created. I search loan 133. We can see here that the interest is calculated 70,500 because the interest is calculated for 93 days. Okay, so for first 45 days it is calculated at 1% daily, so the interest is 22,500, and then for remaining 48 days the interest is calculated at 2% daily. That's how it's coming 7,500. And as you know that if we receive for whatever dates actually, so for example if we consider 45 days from 1st April, so we come to 30 April, and how many days calculated here? 29 days, and going to May, that is 59 days, and now reducing this further so that it will be 45 days. Now as soon as I reach 45 days, 30%, so the interest will be 22,500, and if I increase the day by 1, so 46 days interest will be applied, which will be locked 2%, whereas the interest calculated 45 days at 1% and for next 1 day at 2%. And let's say if I receive 23,500, which is the interest calculated till this date, and let's say I am receiving this amount on now next time when I search, the interest will be locked at 2%. Now if I select May and 23 or 24, so 7 days, let's coming to 15. So I calculated on 18th, it is still coming at 2%, and 2% interest is coming as 1,000 on 50,000. All right. So this is the unique concept of meter loan, which is created in Jainam Software on the basis of runtime interest calculation. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.